DAC Universal Check and Clean. The DAC Universal should be maintained weekly or after 50 cycles. Have your check and clean accessories ready and put on your personal protective equipment. Start the check and clean process. Open the flap and screw the filter housing counterclockwise out of the device. Pull the golden wastewater filter off the filter housing and clean thoroughly on the inside and outside under running water. Check the O-rings on the filter housing and replace these if necessary. Attach the wastewater filter to the housing and screw it into the device again by turning clockwise. Close the flap. Insert the check and clean lid straight into the holder of the DAC Universal. Make sure that the round side of the lid is facing towards you. Make sure that the lid is pushed into the holder as far as it will go. Push the safety ring downwards to start the process. The check and clean lid is automatically identified by the DAC Universal software. Press the Start function key. Water fountains spray upwards through the 6 openings in the base of the chamber. If you observe these 6 fountains hitting the check and clean lid, the water supply is okay. If no water can be seen, repeat the process. Press Start again. You will now see white oil flowing through the drive channel. If no oil can be seen, repeat the process. Press the Start function key again. You will now see how water flows firstly through the spray channel and then through the drive channel. If no water can be seen, repeat the process. Click Continue so that the lid moves up again. Remove the lid from the holder. Then place the check and clean attachment on the blue or pink lid. When you hear a click, the attachment is correctly positioned. Remove the water tank by lifting it slowly upwards out of the DAC Universal using the handle. Take the lid off and fill a syringe with water from the tank. Using the syringe, inject the water in the green or white lid through the left hole and in the blue or pink lid through both holes. Continue this until water is flowing through all the small openings in the adapters. Confirm successful testing of the water supply by moving on to the next step. If no water can be seen, repeat the process. Empty the water tank completely. Disassemble the water tank by removing the handle, the lid, and the float, including the float guide. You can either wipe down the water tank with disinfectant or clean it in a washer disinfector. If you work with a wastewater container, now also clean this as described in the operating instructions. Check that the adapters are secured on the lid by pulling gently. If an adapter is loose, tighten the screws with the screwdriver supplied. Check that the O-rings on the adapters are complete and intact. If these are damaged, they should be replaced. Please note the information in the operating instructions. Clean the device housing, all available lids, and the top quarter of the chamber of the DAC Universal with a soft lint-free cloth and a cleaning and disinfection agent approved by Dentsply Sirona. Check the O-ring on the base of the water tank to ensure it is intact and replace if necessary. Mount the water tank. If you do not have an automatic water supply for your DAC Universal, fill the tank manually with demineralized water. Place a NitroClean cleaning tablet in the empty chamber. Now start reprocessing with the blue, pink, green, or white lid without instruments. Press the function key Start a cycle. Once an empty cycle is complete, the lid moves slightly out of the chamber. Press the function key Open lid fully. And that's it. The check and clean maintenance workflow is now complete.